Hey guys, my Ipsyplus for the month of October has arrived, and for those who are not familiar, this is a monthly beauty product subscription where you choose 3 of the 5 products. The other 2 are based on your profile. It does cost $28 plus tax. Shipping is free, so mine was just under $30. You choose 3 of the 5 products, which are typically beauty, makeup, or skincare, and the other 2 are based on your profile. Every month with the Plus bag, you receive a drawstring bag, which has different colors and designs. This one, as you can see, is the Halloween with the black lips and the lime string. My bag is extra full because I have an add-on that I purchased, and then I also have some items that I purchased with my Ipsy points. You gain Ipsy points for having new subscribers through your link, and also for reviewing the products that you receive through Ipsy. All right, let's individually look at these 5 products that are in my Ipsyplus bag. All right, so the first item I'm pulling out is by the company Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. It's a self-esteem beauty sleep serum for overnight treatment, which effectively revitalizes dull-looking skin, focuses on fine line wrinkles and large pores, and it's great for age spots and uneven skin tone. The 3 forms of amino acid is glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and L-ascorbic acid. It can be used on the face, neck, and chest. Retails for $42. This is a full size. All right, so the next item is made by Wander Beauty. This is a hydrating mask, which can be rinsed off after 15 minutes or used as an overnight mask to restore moisture levels, soothe inflammation, plump fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin texture with a blend of ceramides, plant oils, and peptides. It retails for $38 and is 60 milliliters in size, which is full size. Okay, so the next item is 111 Skin Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream NACY2, which is a nighttime moisturizer. It nourishes and helps recover from environmental aggressors, has phospholipids and hyaluronic acid to lock in hydration and plump skin, along with NACY2 technology. What this is it will promote collagen and elastin production. You can use a pea size in your serum, or you can use it afterwards as your cream. And this retails for $280. It's a full size at 50 milliliters. Okay, so the next one is by the company Love and Craft and Beauty. It's a detailer eye brush set, 5 count, retails for $55 to blend, contour, shade, and detail like a pro. So the first one has a number 8 on it, and it looks like it's kind of flat, so you could apply the shadow. Really nice, scoop it up and pat it in there. That's brush number 8. Okay, so the next one has the number 4 on it, brush number 4, and that one's kind of narrow, so that one's really cool, some fine detail lines. Okay, so the next one is number 6, and this one, let's take the tip off, the top of that off. It's a fine tip, so you can be real precise for liners around the eye, I guess. And then the next one, and that was number 6. Then this one is number 7, which would be a smaller blender. And that one was number 7. And then last one is number 5, and you can also apply and blend it with that one as well. I love the look of this set as well. So this was a 5 count, which retails for $55. Okay, so the next one is Mott Cosmetics. It's a 3 count brush set to use with powder, cream, or liquid to contour, highlight browns like a pro. So the larger one is called Golden Gem Bronzer. And that is really soft. I'm excited to use that. The second one, medium size, is called Get Cheeky With It. That's really soft as well. And then the smaller one says Supermodel Sculpt. And the bristles on that one have a little bit of density to it. So I'm excited about all 3. And this set retails for $30. So $30 for the Mott Cosmetics 3 count brush set, $55 for the Love and Craft Beauty 5 count brush set, $38 for the Wander Beauty night mask, $42 for the Dermalect serum, and then $280 for the 111 Skin moisturizer. So the total for all 5, if you purchase them individually, is $445. Wow. What do you guys think? Nice bag, lousy bag, so-so? Let me know in your comments below. And now I'm going to continue on because I have add-ons. I have one add-on, and then I have a few items that I purchased with points. So for the add-on, I have the Illuminati Cosmetic eyeshadow, which retails for $21. It's the Golden Rule Eyeshadow Quad, full size, and it's highly pigmented mix of shimmer textures for subtle, smooth eye, and it's 4 shimmers in a light brown tan shade, so really pretty. All right, so this one was purchased with the Ipsy points. It was 1,800 points. I believe it's called Deuce. It's a Posh Powder Palette. It's a face palette that is a blush and a highlighter. As you can see, there's 3 blush shades and 3 highlighting shades. The retail price is $55. Okay, and another eyeshadow palette. This one was also with the Ipsy points, 1,800 points. And it's made by Sella. This is a $35, retails for $35 eyeshadow palette. There's 8 matte and pearl shades for a smooth finish, and it's highly pigmented. As you can see how beautiful the colors are here. The pearl eyeshadows are authentic up at the top. The beigey color, the Goddess in Training, the golden color, and then the Evolving, which is that orangish kind of beige color in the right corner. And the rest are all of the matte shades. We have the light purple, a little bit of cranberry, pink, blue, and then a purple color in the corner. It looks black, but that's actually purple. This is not coming out as they actually look. I'm not sure why. And it's also made by the company Cella. My bad. Okay, so the last item was purchased with points as well, 1,200 points. And the brand is Foxy Bay. This is a 12-in-1 Magic Leave-In Hair Conditioner with biotin. Retails for $15.95. This is a full ounce, 6-ounce full ounce. Has 12 different nourishing ingredients, butters, oils, and proteins. It's a leave-in mask. It'll shine the strands, and you can apply it dry or with heat styling. The ingredients are mono oil, shea butter, or say sedative protein, argan oil, baobab extract, macadamia oil, coconut oil, amla oil, tobacco oil, pitanga oil, biotin, and kuki oil. And again, it's applied with wet, dry, or heat-styled hair. So here is my add-on in the beige quad, which was, I don't know, $3 or $5. And the other 3 products were all free with Ipsy points. So not a bad deal. Ipsy had some pretty good products to purchase with the points. So that's it, guys. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.